We all have something within us the world needs to see, and encouraging others to believe in ideas and happiness, whatever it may be. And that's what I love about storytelling.
Here, kind of pose your hair, and just acknowledge the camera, but work with the camera. Laugh, enjoy, have fun, and I'll work with you the entire time. And over the shoulder, look at me.
The way I can photograph moments with the Lumix GH5 allows me to help Brianna feel so relaxed and confident during the photo shoot. I mean, don't underestimate the big picture and the experience of working with an artist, and acknowledge how great it feels to be around somebody who lights you up. A beautiful mind is always knowledgeable, quick thinking, and always learning to trust its own intuitions. Believe in yourself. Be open to rearrange your perspective. I was using the Leica 12-60 for its versatility and ease. I mean, if you have the ability to make somebody feel relaxed and feel special, then just do it. The joy is amazing when you can help people feel like they're being seen. Never forget how wildly capable you are. I mean, what you do makes a difference, and people acknowledge that. You have made them see themselves in a different light. I mean, when nothing in this life is certain, pretty much anything is possible. So when you are in the mindset, when you're ready to receive and achieve,
And that great smile.
and you're making people feel confident
And a little serious too.
and inspiring others, you have something that is so authentic that everybody can't help but to fall in love with you.